Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss D. I am so excited to be doing this little video. I had been thinking about whether I wanted to do it or not, and I figured, you know what, I have been doing this for so long. Maybe a lot of you already know this little trick, but maybe some of you don't, and I find it very helpful, so I wanted to pass it along. All right, first of all, our sleep is so important. It helps our bodies to replenish and rejuvenate and renew overnight. It gives us that time for our brains to shut down and just allow it to help our body go on throughout the next day and live our best life. So one of the things that I like to do is invest in really good sheets, and these ones are from Wondershare. These are beautiful sheets. They are 1,000 thread count, so really good quality, and I've used and purchased their products before. Wondershare is a really good quality name, and I've never been disappointed. So now the other thing is, with these little bags, compartments that they come in, what I like to do is remove the sheets, obviously. And then when I am traveling, I like to use these to put my shoes in. Also, a really good tip is, you know how you're at a resort and you're finished your stay there, but your plane doesn't leave until like 2 o'clock in the morning or something, and but you've got to check out at 11 o'clock in the morning, and you still want to lay by the pool and do all that jazz. These little things are really great to keep in your carry-on bag so that you can put your wet bathing suit in there and not have to worry about it. It'll zip up or do up, and it'll keep that stink in there until you get home and put it into your washing machine. And you put your flip-flops and everything else in there, anything that could make the rest of your luggage get dirty or stinky or wet or whatever. So I hope that is a helpful little tip. I love every single one of you, so thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button if you are not already a member of my family, and following me on all of my social media. Everything is linked down below, so it's just a matter of clicking on it and you'll be brought right to that particular social media: Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And if you really liked what you saw today, then please feel free to ring that bell. That will let you know the next time I upload new content to my channel. And I would love to hear from you. So if you have any comments, any little tips or tricks that you like to do that would help you with travel, then please leave that in the comment section below and give me a great big thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, I am enough. I will see you in my next upload.